एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो मैं यहाँ में आया, मुझे CK बाबू ने बताया था कि यहाँ में एक इनिशिएटिव है। तो अपना तिपरासा लोग है, अपने तिपरासा कंपनी है, सब लोग आत्मनिर्भर के लिए बात करते हैं। तो हम लोग अगर अपना लोगों को मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, प्रमोट कर सकते हैं, तो क्यों नहीं करूँगा। तो मैं यहाँ आया हूँ टू इनॉग्रेट। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो 2025 है वहाँ में एक अच्छा 2025 शुड बी द ईयर ऑफ द तिपरासा, जहाँ में हम लोग आगे बढ़े और हमारा डेवलपमेंट हो और मोर एंड मोर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को एक चांस और प्लेटफॉर्म मिले आगे आने के लिए। बस इसी के लिए मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ। आई विश एवरीवन हैप्पी 3, Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year too. Thank you so much.
I would like to first of all acknowledge the presence of my CEO, CK Jamatia, Father Sebastian, sisters, Mr. Sinha, to everyone here. I was told about this initiative about Tiprasa company trying to start something new, and I know it's a small program. I attend lot more bigger programs, but when a Tiprasa is trying to do something new, it does not matter if it is big or small. The idea is that the heart and the soul of a Tiprasa should be encouraged and promoted. And so I thought that I will personally come here and at least try to motivate you and spread the message that yes, we as the indigenous people of our state can, if given a chance, can succeed as much as anybody. Today we have started in Nandanagar. One day we will probably start in Korbu, maybe in Kanchanpur, maybe in Khwai, maybe all over Tripura, maybe even outside. But the thing is that this year comes to an end, 2024 comes to an end. And in 2025, if we have to progress as a society, as a Dobha, we need to also look beyond the normal career options and start something small, but definitely with the aim to become big. When I started my organization, everybody called it a Chikon organization. Today, everyone knows where we are. Today, when you have started the Yes G Fresh Supermart, people will say, छोटा कंपनी है, तिपरासा का कंपनी है। कुछ चीज जिंदगी में छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता है। अगर आपका सोच और आपका इंटेग्रिटी सही रास्ते में है, तो छोटा सा छोटा चीज भी आपको जिंदगी में आगे ले जाता है। I wish your company, your initiative, the very best. I hope that in 2025 there will be more of Fresh Supermart. Why will you only sell Burma? You can sell other things also. Why only Burma to Tiprasa? Why not Burma across India? Why not across Thailand, Burma? Why not to Japan, China? Potential is always there. Willingness has to be there, and opportunity and platform has to be there. Today I've come here to personally congratulate and wish you all the best. And I hope that everyone here, all of us, not just Tiprasas, as Manipuris, as Bengalis, as Hindus, Christians, all of us, we come here and we promote something which is local. सब लोग बोलते हैं made in India. I want to start with made in Tiprasa. So why not? Atmanirbhar does not only need to happen in Maharashtra or Gujarat or Delhi or Bombay. It can also happen very much in Northeast. And I would hope that all of you all promote this, and I hope that the customers who come here also feel that they are looked after very well. Belai Belai no Hambai, once again happy Tring to all of you all. Merry Christmas. After a few days there is Christmas. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year and a happy 2025. I love you. God bless you. Har Kaham Khulum Kha. Thank you.